Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about Dadan, a tool that can help you to record meeting, capture your screen, and even transcribe everything automatically. If you are a student, a professional, or anyone who attends online meeting, this tool can save you a lot of time. In this video, I will explain how Dadan works, why it is useful, and also how you can get it at a lower price with a lifetime deal. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, so first thing, what is Dadan? Simply, it is a complete tool for recording, capturing, and transcribing your meeting or any screen activity. For example, if you are in a meeting or Zoom call or Google Meet, then Dadan can record the meeting and capture the presentation and even turn everything said into text automatically. This is very helpful if you want to focus on the meeting and not take notes manually. So in the present time, Dadan has improved a lot. The recording quality is better, transcription is faster and more accurate, and the interface is very user friendly. You can just see there. Now you can save your recording in different format, highlight key moments and share them easily with your team or classmate. Even beginners can use it without any problem because everything is very simple and just simply clear. Another useful feature is the screen capture. You can record your whole screen and just a specific window. So this is very helpful if you are making tutorial, presentation or guides, and with transcription you can get a written copy of everything that was said, which can save hours of typing and reviewing later. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are easy to use interface, high quality recording, automatic transcription, and the screen capture. The icon is that for very large file and very long meeting, it might take a little more time to process, but overall for most users, Dadan works really well and save a lot of time. Now let's talk about the pricing. So on the official website, Dadan has monthly or yearly subscription plans. This can get expensive if you plan to use it regularly, but here is the good part. You can get Dadan on AppSumo and it is a lifetime deal. That means you can just pay once and you can use it forever. So no monthly payment, which is perfect if you need this tool regularly. This is much cheaper than paying every single month, and you can get full access to lifetime and you can get full access to all of the features. So in conclusion, Dadan in the present time is a great tool for recording meeting and capturing your screen and transcribing automatically. It is simple, fast and very helpful for the students, professional and creators, and using the AppSumo lifetime deal is the smartest way to get it at much lower price than the usual subscription. So check the description below this video, click this special link and grab this lifetime deal now. This tool can really make your workflow easier and save you hours of time every week. So that was the video for today on Dadan, and I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.